guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shilpa and let's learn about the trigger point today. So trigger point is number one, hyper irritable spot. Number two, a palpable nodule in the taut bands of the skeletal muscles fascia. Guys, they are only present in the skeletal muscles. They are not present in any kind of muscle like cardiac muscle or any other muscle. So the direct compression or muscle contraction can elicit the jump sign. The jump sign means whenever the direct pressure apply over that area where the trigger point is suspected, that will cause the wince or cry out response by the patient because of the intense pain. So that is the jump sign. So the size of trigger point nodule varies according to size, shape and type of muscle. So guys, जिस टाइप का जिस शेप का और जिस साइज का मसल होगा उसमें उसी के अकॉर्डिंग ही ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स जो है वो बनेगा. So here are some of the classifications of the trigger point. Number one, central trigger point. So guys, these trigger points are well established when they are active and present in the center of the muscle belly. So guys, these trigger point only present in the center of the muscle belly. They do not present in other part of the muscle. So satellite trigger point. This type of trigger point created by in response to central trigger point in neighboring muscle that lies in referred pain zone. And there is one interesting fact also that whenever we treat the central trigger point, this satellite trigger point himself itself get treated. मीन्स हमें अलग से सैटेलाइट ट्रिगर पॉइंट को ट्रीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो खुद ब खुद ही ठीक हो जाएंगे अगर सेंट्रल ट्रिगर पॉइंट को ठीक कर दिया जाए या इनको ट्रीट कर दिया जाए. So inactive trigger point or latent trigger point. These trigger points are not painful. This leads to muscle stiffness. These trigger points are more common who live a sedentary lifestyle. So this is the most common complaint by the patient, by the people who do this who do sedentary jobs like sitting job, standing job, some of them like who use laptops a lot or who read books or write paper something. सो गाइज, ये जो ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स होंगे वो उनमें ज़्यादा होंगे. ये पेनफुल तो नहीं होंगे बट उनकी या तो उनकी गर्दन स्टिफ होगी, उनकी लेग स्टिफ होंगी, तो स्टिफनेस की प्रॉब्लम जो होगी वो ज़्यादा होगी. So diffuse trigger points. Trigger points can sometimes occur when multiple satellite trigger points exist secondary to multiple. This is often the case when there is a severe postural deformity such as scoliosis and an entire quadrant of the body is involved. So guys, diffuse trigger points जो होंगे mainly जिनको कोई भी डिफॉर्मिटी होगी, पोस्चर डिफॉर्मिटी होगी, चाहे वो स्कोलियोसिस है, चाहे वो काइफोसिस है, या कोई भी जो मेन जो है डिफॉर्मिटी है, तो ये मेन उन्हीं में होते हैं, उन्हीं पेशेंट्स में होते हैं. So physical findings, they are small in size, pinhead shaped or pea-sized nodules, large lumps, severe large lumps next to each other, tender spot embedded in taut bands of semi-hard muscle that feels like a cord, rope-like band lying next to each other like partially cooked spaghetti. The skin over a trigger point is often slightly warmer than the surrounding skin due to the increased metabolic and autonomic activity. So guys, there are some of the unknown symptoms which we don't know usually, but for you I have taken this from an article. So there is hypersalivation, which is increased in saliva, euphoria, abnormal overflow of tear down to the cheeks, conjunctivitis, that is reddening of the eyes, ptosis, that is drooping of the eyes, blurring of vision, increased nasal secretion and goosebumps. So here is one example of examination, that is how to examine the trigger point. So guys, here is the examination for pectoralis major. what we have to do for pectoralis major, first abduct the arm for 90 degree, then make sure that the area is pressure under the pressure or area is under the tension, so that trigger point जो है वो visible और जो है उभर के बाहर आए. Now with the pincer palpation you can easily palpate the trigger point. So guys, here is the picture where two bodies are there, that is front view and the back view. So in front view there are some of the commonly areas where the trigger point is usually happen, that is deltoid muscle, pectoralis major, tensor fasciolata, rectus femoris, and the back side it's upper trapezius, levator scapularis, latissimus dorsi, sacrospinalis, quadratus lumborum, piriformis, biceps femoris, adductor magnus, semitendinous, semimembranous, gastrocnemius, tibialis posterior, and soleus. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like my video, share my video, comment on it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.